guys, and welcome back to Shelly's Homemade. And today, guys, we're going to be making some barbecue chicken with a side of baked beans, guys. So, for that, you're going to need some chicken legs, because I have a pack of chicken legs. I'm just going to get them into my pan that I washed thoroughly. Right into my pan, guys. I got aluminum pan. Let's clean up today. And we got some seasoning and some barbecue sauce. So for our seasoning, we have some garlic and onion blend, Shelly's house seasoning, which is salt, pepper, seasoning, garlic, onion powder, and some chicken bouillon. We're gonna season this chicken up really well, guys. Really well. So let's start with the Shelly's house seasoning. Get a really good seasoning on there. Get some of this chicken bouillon. Don't worry if I miss the spot. We're going to go right back over it. We're going to mix all this chicken in here. Chicken bouillon, guys. Get it in. Don't want too much, but just enough. Alright. This onion. It's going to add some amazing flavor. Alright, so a quick weeknight dinner. Just get it in there. Let's mix it all in. And, you know, if you're doing a cookout, you know, because Labor Day is coming, you know, it's supposed to be the last cookout of the season. This would be a great way, because you know you're cooking all of that stuff out there on the grill. Yeah, a pan of barbecue chicken. This would work absolutely amazing for you. So do it this way, and I promise you, you're gonna want to have this all the time. It's the summertime, Labor Day coming up. Barbecue chicken, baked beans. I'm making a small pan of baked beans, but you know, but you can double the recipe, triple the recipe, depends on how many guests you're having. But this is a weeknight meal for me, so this is what we're doing. And the chicken is completely coated. We're going to get this into the oven. See how quick and easy that was? All I did was season this thing up. We're going to get this into the oven on a 425-degree oven for about half an hour. Then we're going to take it out and put some barbecue sauce on this baby. We're going to pop it right back in the oven. Alright, but before then, we're going to do those beans. So I'll be right back. Alright, so we're back to make our baked beans. We have Bush's original baked beans. We have some chili beans. It's like the same kind of bean or the bean texture. This just helps the beans out, stretches it, makes it taste good. I had a can of these laying around. It's not going to hurt it. It's going to be fantastic. I have a half a cup of sugar. I have a teaspoon of garlic. We have some crumbled sausages. A tablespoon and a half of mustard. We have some barbecue sauce, garlic and onion, and of course Shelly's house seasoning and some chicken bouillon. So we're going to move, and I have some bacon frying in my pan. So we're going to move over to the stove and we're going to show you what to do next. So I have 4 strips of bacon here, frying up in the pan, getting nice and crispy for me. Alright. Alright, so let's add our onions to this. Oh yeah, it's going to be amazing. And you can put some bell peppers in here if you like. I didn't have any. I thought I had some in my little pantry, but I don't. Alright, and all of this stuff, I like to pre-cook my bacon. I don't like to have raw pieces of bacon and my baked beans when I put them in the oven. I know they say they done, they just don't look done to me. We're going to add our sausages. Oh man, I'm telling you. And like I said, I'm only making a little bit, so not a lot. Let's add the garlic now. Look at that. Oh, smells so good in here. Not only from the barbecue chicken in the oven, you know, that's getting nice and crisped up for me before I add my barbecue sauce, but these beans, the start of the beans itself, oh man. Now I don't add ketchup in here, the mustard and the barbecue sauce does its own thing. So I'm gonna add this, I'm gonna add the cans with its juice. Now if you don't have this, you got a can of pinto beans in there, you've been trying to figure out what to do with, some navy beans or whatever, work fine in here, guys. It will work fine in here. They won't be able to tell the difference. This is just a can of chili beans, the sauce and all is in here. Get your can of baked beans in here, juice, everything. Look at that. You won't be able to tell the difference. It's going to be absolutely delicious, guys. I just like to put it all in my pan just to give it a quick start. We're not going to cook it till it's done. I just want to mix everything together in my pan. This is a nice sized can of beans. You might not even need it to add extra, but like I said, I feed 5 people in my house, so let's stretch it. Plus, you know, I give my husband something to take to work. You know. There we go. Alright, now let's add our mustard. Let's add some Shelly's house seasoning. This is going to be sweet and savory. So it's going to be absolutely delicious. It's going to get that right amount of sweet, that right amount of savory. Garlic and onion blend, just like we put on the chicken. You know, we're going to match those flavors. A little bit of chicken bouillon, not too much. Just enough. You know, like a half a teaspoon. We don't want to make it salty. Just mix it all in, and I have my pan right here, so we're just going to pull that pan, pull this right into the pan. Like I said, it's not a large amount, it's enough. Alright, let's get that brown sugar in there, the whole half a cup. This is where the sweetness come in, we're starting the sweetness. Then we're going to add our barbecue sauce. That's that second amount of sweetness right along with it. So you're going to want like a half a cup of this good stuff. There we go. And as you see, the beans and everything starting to mix in. You won't be able to tell a thing. It's going to be fantastic. Now, you don't even have to put it in the oven. You can just leave it on the stove and let it just cook like this. Or you can just put it in the oven and just let it do its thing, guys. Look at that. Amazing. So now, I'm going to turn my flames off. And bring my pan over this pan a little heavy. Just pour it right into here. And I'll just finish mixing it right into this pan. And we're going to get it right in the oven with our barbecue chicken. And when we come back, we're going to barbecue up that chicken, guys. Look at that. Nice pan of baked beans. So let me taste it for flavor. Amazing, guys. This stuff tastes. Woo! That mustard brings so much flavor to them beans. The barbecue sauce, the seasoning that I added, the sausages, the bacon. Yes. Okay, so we're going to get this in the oven. When we come back, we're going to barbecue that chicken up. Okay, so our chicken is where I want it to add our barbecue sauce. And just put some over every leg. And I got my brush here to brush it on. Good old barbecue chicken, guys. Like I said, you guys can do this. You know, if you prepping for your cookout, and you're gonna have some pre-barbecue chicken, because people be coming early trying to get that food. All right. That's it. All mixed on, just like that. Oh, so beautiful, lovely. And put this on so the barbecue sauce doesn't burn. Look at that. It looks good already, and it's not even done yet. Amazing. This stuff is going to be absolutely amazing. Look at that. There we go. Look at that. Tell me that ain't pretty. Woo. Beautiful. So when this is done, guys, so as soon as this is done, we're gonna plate this up with our beans and our chicken. I'll be back. Alright guys, so we're back, and this is the conclusion of the video. I love this part because I get to eat what I made, guys. Let me just get this out of the way. Like, share, subscribe. All my newcomers, welcome, welcome, welcome. All of my faithful subscribers, I love you guys. Thank you so much. So now, let's get into it. Get into this chicken. It looks amazing. Ooh, you know, you're supposed to pick this up with your hand and just, but I'm going in with my fork. Oh man, look at that. It's well seasoned. Look at this. Jeez. You got these beans. Amazing. Amazing. With this broccoli. You know what? This stuff is excellent. You guys follow me on social media. Like, share, and subscribe. And as always, you guys have a wonderful day. And I'm going to see you in the next video.